Hello Pop-Uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. Here's another video for pop-up series that we are making. Enjoy watching! I designed the background first by drawing the leaves. I also drew the flowers, which will be our pop-up elements. We are going to create pop-up flowers like this. This looks so interesting, right? But that is just so simple to make. I have 5 flowers here and we're going to place them on top of each other. But place each of them this way as if they are like steps of stairs. The purpose of this is to give volume when you are going to open the spread. Don't worry Pop-Uppers if you make a lot of mistakes because that's really normal. You can always adjust the elements if it is necessary. The elements are ready now, so let's fold the other half of the spread for the exact placement of our pop-up flowers. That's nice! However, the look of the middle flowers is not so good for me. I want those middle flowers to open more, so let's try to adjust them. This is much better now. Let's add some more flowers to make it look more beautiful. So pop-uppers, here is our flower for this pop-up series. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!